95. 95 is a numerical term in the English language that represents the number 95. It is composed of two parts, 90, which refers to the number 90, and 5, which represents the number 5. When combined, they form the number 95. Here are a few examples of how 95 can be used in different contexts. 1. Age. My grandmother is 95 years old. This means that the person's grandmother is currently 95 years of age. 2. Temperature. It's going to be 95 degrees Fahrenheit today. This statement indicates that the temperature outside will reach 95 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. Money. The shirt costs $95. In this case, the price of the shirt is $95. 4. Time. The meeting will start at 5 minutes to 90. This sentence implies that the meeting will begin at 5 minutes before 90 minutes past the hour, which is equivalent to 95 minutes past the hour. 5. Sports score. The home team won the game with a score of 95 to 70. This means that the home team scored 95 points, while the opposing team scored 70 points. In all of these examples, 95 is used to represent the specific quantity of 95, whether it is related to age, temperature, money, time, or a sports score.